What followed was a murder of such seriousness that it has shocked both the local community and many in this country. The use of a military-grade submachine gun to kill a young woman in her own home at night in a planned shooting of the occupants of that house is beyond any understanding.
The sentences that have been given today reflect the seriousness and heinous nature of this crime, and to the best of the system we have in this country, justice has prevailed. Ashley had her whole life ahead of her and was in her prime. A career-driven young woman whose life had been cut short for such a senseless act. There really are no words. And for that, we will never be able to forgive.